Adopt saying goodbye, American way to say bye. Hey, Mike.
Oh, hey, Mia, done for the day?
Yep, finally finished. Well, goodbye, Mike.
Goodbye, Mia.
Goodbye sounds too stiff for everyday American English. Instead, people usually say, see ya, later, take care. Hear what they're saying this time.
All right, I'm heading out. See ya.
Later, Mia, take care.
I didn't say goodbye. I said see ya. It's casual and friendly.
I answered with later, super common in the US.
And take care. Adds a nice, polite touch without sounding formal.
Try adapting these phrases and practice them in your daily conversations.
See ya in the next lesson.